Hey everyone, Alex here from Gadget Games. Today we're going to be looking at some of the new features in SmartSpawn version 1.6. So let's go ahead now and create a new spawner. And we're going to be adding the networked SmartSpawn script to this one. We've already created a spawn asset here, so let's go ahead and drag that in. And let's set it up as well. So we can also add spawn points as of 1.6. Now let's add another one there. Okay, there we go. And our last one, where's it gone? There it is. There we go. So we've got those spawn points now pretty well set up. And what we want to do is fill the empty spawn points, randomize filled spawn points. Yep, we want to do that. Cap the maximum spawns to 2. And we also want to track the spawned objects of this spawner. So the ammo box tracked here, that's got a SmartSpawn enemy tracker script on it. So whenever onDestroy is called on that ammo box, then it's going to relay that back to the SmartSpawner that spawned it and increment the maximum number of spawns so that spawner can continue spawning. And let's go ahead and test out one of the new features in 1.6. As we can see there, we're using bulk networking at the moment, but if for example the bulk networking system was abandoned by its author before it was production ready and we had to switch to default Unity networking or UNet, then all we have to do just like that is remove the SS use bolt scripting defined symbol, and as we can see we're now using default networking. And of course 1.6 also supports Photon networking. So let's go ahead now and we can also test out another fun feature. All we have to do to use a regular SmartSpawn script that's not networked, just drag that in there and Bob's your uncle, everything works. So I think now we're going to be, let's actually add one more spawn point. Where are we? There we go. Actually we'll put it on the table. Why not? Why not? So there we go, that's looking good. Let's go ahead and test this one out now. Okay, so we've got one tracked ammo box there, and I think I might have put this spawn point a little bit too low to the ground. That one's just fallen through the HP box there, but that doesn't matter. So right now the SmartSpawn script has 0 maximum spawns left because it's already spawned those 2 objects, but of course because we're tracking this ammo box, as soon as this is destroyed, let's destroy it now, then the SmartSpawner is going to be spawning another one. And again, I think I've put those spawn points a little bit under the ground there, so that's a good tip actually. Make sure your spawn points are above the ground. And we can also increment at runtime the maximum spawns, so we can get a couple more spawns in there. There's an ammo box, 2 ammo boxes, and again you can delete those and it's going to spawn another one. There we go. So that's showing off some of the new features of SmartSpawn version 1.6. Remember to follow Gadget Games here on YouTube, on Twitter as well, and any support inquiries, feel free to message support@gadgetgames.com for any suggestions you might have for future content for SmartSpawner as well. But for now, thanks for watching.